Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix desktop icons missing and blank white desktop shortcut icons. First method is right-click Start button, click Run, type %local app data %. Click three dots, click Options, click View tab, check Show hidden files, folders, and drives, click Apply, click OK. Delete icon cache file. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is right-click Application Shortcut, click Properties, click Change Icon. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.